On behalf of ACE International and on my personal behalf, I would welcome Mrs. Rekha Waghela. Mrs. Rekha Waghela is a passionate trainer, and she is a specialist in the field of parental coaching. Mrs. Rekha has designed her own course on parental coaching, and she is passionately conducting the courses on regular basis, and she will be very much interested if we are going to contact her for parental support, especially those who are associated with the schools. And we know that parents support, how important it is. And in most of the cases, whether we deal with the students of any village school or in international school, everywhere I have seen my experience, personal experience, that the amount of support and help we should get from the parents, we are unable to find it. And it's very important that we need some experts guidance in this field, that how we have to involve and how we have to engage the parents in all-round development of our children. I request Mrs. Rekha Waghela to kindly present her views and let us know that what exactly she does and whom she is inspired by, who is the role model of Rekha Waghela.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good morning, all of you. First of all, let me congratulate Dr. Halima and Dr. Ram for organizing this wonderful symposium to gather all the multifaceted women from different areas and sharing their views. So it is one of the platforms, I believe, where everybody get to hear and understand what is that each one can contribute to the overall development of individual as well as the society. So, parenting is some of them, as Dr. Halima said, is something which I have discovered over a period of time. Okay, and it is not something that I have become an expert just because I have thought of to become. So, the journey started with becoming a parent first, and then discovering many challenges and understanding what is that really a parent to be. And in that process, I discovered that there are many who are uh, not knowing. I would say they know what exactly to take care of as a child in terms of the physical needs. But I realized that just giving physical need is one of the area, but beyond that there are many other areas that we need to understand and offer. And in that also, especially, a mother plays a very important role because she is nurturing in the process not only the children but also herself. And that is what I personally discovered. Well, I started my journey as a corporate human resource professional, and then I realized that this is something beyond that. When you become mother, then you are not just any other individual. You are, in fact, playing a great role in terms of shaping up not only your child, but shaping up the entire nation, the culture, and the society, the way you imbibe. And this is purely on the experience which I discovered, where the first 10 years, the foundation years of children are very much important. The way you connect with them at physical level, emotional level, social level, spiritual level, and these are all building up their individual holistic person. And what do we want them to serve over a period of time? Is it just me and myself, or is it something bigger than beyond that? What is it that I can contribute for? And uh, besides providing academic engagement, what are the various experiences? What are the various ideas through which we can make a child learn? And one of the point that I would like to highlight here, I have seen many women, they leave the job in the if they are working or having any profession or any other work. They feel that just because I have to raise my child, I have to leave everything. And there I want to make a comment that one, especially women, yes, need not leave what you're doing, but in fact, I would recommend them to discover something. What is that new value addition that you can do while you are raising the child? And it should not become a reason for you to leave what you are passionate to do and what you are intent to do. And that is one message I would like to highlight to every woman that who is present here and who's going to also see this program, that when you have become mother, you're going to not only discover your motherhood, but you're going to discover many other latent potential that within you is there. And that is how you're going to connect and give better ideas, better values, better habits, better disciplines to the child, so that you can really make your own self proud, and all the people around are the way you look at this entire journey. So that's the message I want to leave with each and every woman who's going to see this program. So thank you, Dr. Halima, and thank you, Dr. Ram, for giving me this opportunity and giving this address note, where I believe that each woman has their own potential and capacity, irrespective of the problems, opportunities. Dream big and achieve big. That is what should be the motto of every woman. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Rekha Waghela. And now I request our beautiful forum, if you have to add on something or you have to comment or ask some questions, now forum is for you.
So I would like to ask one simple question.
Yes, Dr. Ram.
How much the women have the smartness it would be transformed to the children when they are developing? How do you relate to the modern world, whether the women need to develop their smartness to cope up with the challenges, to transform the skills for the children development at home as well as society?
Yes, how much I would say it all depends. So it is like, let me put it an analogy of rubber band. Okay, rubber band has a certain elasticity. Now, each woman or each mother is going to stretch that as per her own way to look at. Okay, if I feel I can stretch only this much, then that rubber will get stretched that much. But that rubber has elasticity to get stretched like this big. So, similarly, it is up to each woman and each mother how much is that they want to really pass on. Because, and especially in today's time, it is not going to be easy, because there are a lot of distraction and lot of factors which probably were not there earlier. Raising a child was not that challenge. Why I see there are so many parenting coaches and guidance have been mushrooming and required, because the way they look at parenting is completely different. Parenting is basically how much time that one can give, how much engagement that one can give. It is not something like you can outsource everything. Okay, I know many parents who feel they have given their child to the best of the school and that duty is done. Then I am sorry to say that's something wrong. Okay, where your role, you can the one line is, one cannot outsource this role yourself as a parenting. It has to be, one has to go through. So it's like gold. If it has to be purified, then it has to go through that entire heating process. So similarly, it's for even this particular area of life.
True, true. Thank you so much. Thank you.
My
Thank you
pleasure.
very much. Thank you. And now moving further, let me invite a lady from Singapore. Every morning,